Okay, well, hi, it's Ray, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign in Meta, Facebook and Instagram, but instead of driving traffic to a landing page or a property for sale page, we're going to drive it to a lead form. So you're going to jump into your account, the first thing, and then you're going to click here, Create. And instead of website or awareness, you're going to click on leads. You're going to click on leads there. You're going to click housing, and you're going to make sure that this special ad categories thingo, whatever you want to call it, is enabled, right? And you've got your country down here. Now, a warning to my Canadian and US friends: if you are near the border in Canada or if you're near the border in the US, put both countries in there, please, because we've worked out that that can cause a problem. You need to specify the countries that you are advertising in. Okay, create campaign. And I've cheated a little bit because I've already created this just to save you some time. I think everybody knows how to jump in and create your copy, etc., which we've done in there. We've unticked this general creatives because we've uploaded all of our ads. And basically, here's how they look. Here's how the whole ad combos look. And we can see the house and the photos and all the formats, and it is good to go. So let's scroll down. I've set up my targeting, and just by the way, with your targeting, make sure you've selected AI targeting. Make sure you've got minimum age 18. I've put the address of the property in there like that, 43 Victoria Street, Eagle Hawk. I can see down the bottom it's hitting 94,500 to 111,200. I'm saving that, so that is all good to go. Now, here we are in the lead department. Now, if you've already got a lead, you know how this works. You can simply select your lead. So, excuse me. What I would do here is, if you're going to create a lead, I would name it, right? So, if you're marketing a property, and where's Mark's? Here we are, 43 Victoria Street, Eagle Hawk. I'm just going to name my lead form that so I can quickly find it. So there it all is there. Yes, English is correct. So add a greeting. So I'm going to click on that. And this is kind of the welcome. So please share your details for more information. Okay, or you can put in whatever you want to put in there. Most people have already been through the process of using Facebook forms, whether you've inquired about something. It's pretty common nowadays. So once you've got that in place, you can then type something in there for your paragraph of what you want to say. Simply enter your info following. I think it's on the next page. So then we can go the form type. I'd like you to select higher intent. It is better. Now, here you can put in whatever you want to put in. So if I look at what my client Mark wants me to do here, and let me just find that information. He wants... this is in our little to-do list. First name, email, phone number. Okay, that is cool. We can take care of all of that. So I'm just going to cancel what we've got here, and I'm going to go first name, email, and phone number. Those three things. They're pretty common. I wouldn't worry about enabling the one-time verification or the P, whatever that's for, protocol. Fill in your contact details. We can follow up. Okay, that's great. Privacy policy. Now, you're going to have to access your privacy policy from your website. So if I simply go to Mark's website, most websites have got their privacy policy down here at the bottom somewhere. Privacy right there. I've clicked on that. There it is up there like that. I grab that URL or that extension and I put that there in the link, view privacy policy. I think that is a legal requirement. I know it's a legal requirement. And basically at this point, you can actually send them to a website for more information. So, or I can get them to call Mark's business. In this case, I'm going to send them to the website, I think. So I'm just going to grab that. There's the full URL for that property for sale. Put that in there like so. And then there's the submit button, and I create the lead form, and we're done. So that's confirming that my lead form was created successfully. I can look in here for my budget, and I'm going to make this $5 a day, and optional, I'm going to make sure that this is enabled, make sure that is switched on for optimization. I'm going to name the campaign here, which again is the address for 73 Victoria. I'm going to grab that. That's just really easy. When you're in your dashboard, you can quickly identify which properties are which. Now I'm going to schedule this to go for 2 weeks, April 22. So 2 weeks would approximately be May the 6th, launch campaign. Okay, now it's inviting me to launch campaign. Now if there's going to be an issue, it'll happen now and I can simply correct my images. So if not, we are good to go. All right, I'll see you on the next video.